To enable ODT on Robinhood, start by ensuring you have option trading enabled. Open the Robinhood app or log into the website. Then navigate to the profile by clicking on the account icon. From there, go to the settings under Investing and look for the Option Trading option. If it's not enabled, follow the prompts to apply for option trading, which will require answering questions about your trading experience, financial situation, and risk tolerance. You will need to qualify for one of Robinhood's 3 levels of option trading. Level 1, which includes buying calls, puts, and covered options. Level 2, which includes buying calls, puts, and spreads. Or Level 3, which includes advanced strategies like selling options, such as naked options. To enable ODT options, you typically need to be at Level 2 or higher, which is determined by your trading experience, financial knowledge, and risk tolerance. Once you've enabled ODT options, open the Robinhood app, search for the stock you want to trade, select it, and tap on Trade, and then Trade Options. On the option chain screen, look for option contracts with today's expiration date. Select your desired strike price, and proceed with your trade. It's essential to understand the risks of ODT options, which are highly volatile due to their same-day expiration and can result in significant gains or losses quickly. Make sure you have sufficient funds and understand the risks before trading. Additionally, monitor your account for eligibility, as periodic reviews of your account activity and risk level can impact your access to Level 2 and option trading. Maintaining a good trading record and account balance is crucial to retaining Level 2 and option trading access.